Today, I'll show you how to change the MT5 chart background to dark mode. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. In MetaTrader 5, there are really two related settings here. One is the app theme, and the other is the chart color scheme. MetaQuote says MT5 for Android has a light or dark app theme in settings, while the desktop platform has chart color schemes, such as green on black and yellow on black inside chart settings. If you're using MT5 on PC, open a chart first. Then either right-click on the chart and choose Properties, or open the chart settings window another way. MetaQuote says the chart settings window includes a scheme option with predefined color schemes, including yellow on black and green on black. Those are the quickest built-in dark background choices. Once the settings window opens, go to the Colors tab. In the Scheme dropdown, choose green on black if you want a classic dark chart, or yellow on black if you prefer stronger contrast. MetaQuote says these predefined schemes are built into MT5, and they automatically adjust the background along with other chart colors like bars, candles, and text. If you want a more custom dark setup, stay in the same Colors tab and change the individual items manually. MetaQuote says you can edit the background, text, grid, bar up, bar down, bull candle, bear candle, and other chart colors one by one. So, if the built-in dark schemes don't look exactly the way you want, you can make your own version by changing the background to black or dark gray, and then adjusting the candle and text colors for better visibility. Now let's talk about MT5 on Android. MetaQuote says the mobile app has a Choose Theme setting in Settings, where you can switch the app interface between light and dark. It also says the system theme on your phone can be used by default. So on Android, the fastest way to get MT5 into dark mode is to open the app, go to Settings, and choose Dark as the theme. Here's the important detail though. On mobile, the app Dark Theme and the chart color scheme are not always exactly the same thing. MetaQuote's Android release notes say MT5 for Android added a dark theme and also keeps chart color schemes available. So if the app looks dark, but the chart still doesn't look the way you want, check the chart color settings separately if your version shows them. One more thing to remember is that MetaQuotes recently improved the dark theme across MT5 components, including the terminal background and interface elements, so newer versions may look better in dark mode than older ones. If your MT5 still doesn't show a proper dark appearance, updating the platform is a good idea. So, in simple terms, on PC open chart properties, go to Colors and choose green on black or yellow on black. On Android, open Settings and choose the dark theme, then adjust chart colors if needed. That's the easiest way to change the MT5 chart background to dark mode, and that's how to change the MT5 chart background to dark mode. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.